Hello and welcome. I will be answering JAMB 2011 Physics Past Question 9. If a tube of small radius opened at both ends is placed in a liquid, the liquid will A. Fall below the liquid level if the liquid does not wet the glass. B. Rise above the liquid level if the liquid does not wet the glass. C. Remain at the same level irrespective of whether the liquid wets the glass or not. D. Fall below the liquid level if the liquid wets the glass. So when you open a tube at both ends, what you are trying to study or what you are trying to form is a capillary tube. And you are trying to study capillary action or capillarity. Okay, now the rule of this is that the liquid will rise up the capillary tube if it wets glass, and it will fall below its initial level if it does not wet glass. So this is the ground rule for capillary action. Now the last part of what we just stated says fall below its initial level if it does not wet glass, and that is what is seen here in option A. Fall below the liquid level if the liquid does not wet the glass. So option A is what is observed. Thank you, and please subscribe to this channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers.